A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. If you plant peas, you're going to expect to reap corn? Or if you plant watermelon, you're going to expect to reap pumpkin? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, click the subscribe button now and the notification bell so you can make sure you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, we are going to read from Paul's letter to the Galatians, chapter 6, from verse 1 to verse 18. Brother and sister, if you find say somebody where in the church live in a sin, uno where live how God's spirit say uno fi live, must correct them, but take time with them. Take care so uno no fall in a sin too. When somebody have problem, uno fi help them. Uno fi help uno one another. Because when uno do that, uno do a Christ Jesus say uno must do. Because if somebody thinks them big and important, but them are nobody, them only fool themselves. Everybody must look in at themselves and see if where them are do right. Uno no feel look pan nobody fi see if uno right. Uno must only look pan uno self. And then if when I do right, uno can happy with uno self. Because everybody must carry them own a load. Uno will learn God word. Must share all of the good sitting them we uno have with uno teacher. No fool on yourself. Uno can't take God MEK PREKE. Anything we no plant, at that uno a go reap. So if you plant the sit them where your body want, a dead, uno a go dead. At that uno a go reap. But if you plant the sit them where God's spirit want, you will reap life. One life will not go done. So make we not get tired for the good. Because if we not give up, when God ready, him will make we reap enough good sin. So whenever we have the chance for the good, make we do it. Make we do good for everybody. What if them are part of God's family and believe in a Jesus like we? Would you see how the letter them big when me write with me own hand? The one them we are try to force to get circumcised. Them just want to brag and boast about themselves. Them are pushing to get circumcised so that them not suffer. Because them wouldn't have suffer if them did tell people about how Jesus died on the cross for them, to save them. Not even the one them will circumcise a follow the law, but them want you to go get circumcised so that them can go brag about how them cause you to do it. Me hope say, me will only boast about how Jesus died on the cross for me. And how sake of him, me not live like all the rest of people in the world live. Me dead to the world and the world dead to me. I hope say, me never ever boast about nothing else but that. And I'm not if you circumcised or you not circumcised. The only thing we matter, I say God take you and turn you in a one new somebody. For everybody will agree with me. Me pray say God will give them peace and that him will good and kind to them and all them people them. From now on, nobody forgive me no more trouble. Cause me have the mark them on my body which shows me a God slave. Brother and sister, me pray say, we Lord Jesus Christ, we show the whole of our love, even though we don't deserve it. Amen. A God would this. Thank God. Next, we are going to read from Paul letter to the Ephesian them. Uno run go call on a friend them. If you can subscribe and click the notification bell so that none of uno we no miss none of what I go on. Right here so. What good and one love.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.